Crown Vic Nation, what's going on, everybody? Just want to let you guys, let you know I ain't going nowhere. Crown Vic, I'm still trying to get the bugs out of her because, I try to tell people you're never going to find one of these that is absolute perfect, and it is kind of rare to find a super perfect. And if you get something super perfect, you're gonna have to pay. You're gonna pay, simple as that. These don't come perfect, and that's why I advise any of you guys who think about these, at least know how to do basic or have basic mechanical skills. That way it makes it easier on you, because it is not gonna be easy owning one of these. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It is not. So a lot of things, if you think about it though, the Caprices and the certain other police cars that they have used are a lot more difficult to use. And that's why I always advertise people to get a 06, 07, if you don't mind. If you're not an E85 guy, 93 octane, perfect. If you are an E85 guy, 2008 to 2011, 2009 to 10, 11 will be my choice, but 08 is fine also. I'm not into that. The 04 was the fastest of them all. Those tenths of a second don't mean nothing, and if it had a 327 gear or 355, made the difference. So a lot of people just throw the rumors out, which is fine, and I just want to get in on, give you guys a little bit of an update. I'll give you a pull soon as we hit the freeway and Guadalajara, Mexico. We in Mexico that quick, We in Mexico that quick. Yeah, so, and I know a lot of guys have that debate. Get off the line heavy hard. There is no, the 327s burnt the tires too getting off the line, guys. I'm not gonna lie. At first, at one vehicle, I thought I had 355s, and it turned out to be a 327. So those 327s will hit hard. 355s hit a little bit harder, no doubt, but I would prefer a 355, 373, if I was going to build one of these. So, yeah. 2, ready for the pull. Guadalajara, Mexico. She pulls fairly strong, guys. I mean, fairly strong. Fairly strong. So I have some other updates on it, you know, to get your Crown Vic going crispy. I know there's probably some videos about maintenance and things like that, but you know, coming out of the horse's mouth is a different story. So, Crown Vic Nation, peace.